Flawless Networks is a division of Flawless IT Solutions, and we've been providing exceptional and personalized solutions to various organizations and companies throughout South Africa since 2005. Not every business, commercial farm, development or renewable energy project is the same. That's why we make sure that we understand the needs of every client and that all the boxes are checked before we proceed with a project. So it's quite easy to supply a customer with a product, but it is crucial that you understand the fundamentals of these different technologies that integrates with each other. And with that approach, we can provide our customers with a great return on investment. With this specific project in Cape Town CBD, I was involved with the general technical scoping and getting this project over the line. Now, the challenge with this project was to get sufficient CCTV coverage throughout the buildings and the perimeter. With this state-of-the-art CCTV and access control solution, it was critical that we implement or design and implement a world-class network infrastructure.
With this project, we realized the critical need for connectivity, uptime and network security. We recommended multiple fiber links be installed to ensure high speed and reliable throughput as the backbone to the network. We implemented the necessary network intrusion prevention system to protect the client's assets.
When you project management it right, everything will be inspected, everything will be checked. The quality that you have on site will be to the correct standard, even in the areas where no one is looking. Project management played an absolutely vital role with regards to planning in advance and getting the works done. So every person, every individual that is engaged within this area needs to be approached beforehand, allowing the works to continue. So we have multiple facets within a project such as this. Each part that really needs to be studied and understood within the way that the building is constructed, the way that it's joined, the way that it's made up, with understanding where it goes, what's the best routes, where it's an old existing building of say 50, 60 years. So going and finding the correct routes with a project like this, it is absolutely vital. Quality on a site like this is managed by engaging yourself, going to view it yourself, seeing that within every nook and corner that it's to the T, to the standard that we have set ourselves out to do this work within the correct integrity and really keeping it to the correct touch.
The highlight for this project for me, firstly, I have two actually. Firstly was executing the job, providing a product that I know that it's adding value to the world, because just doing that, it's been a highlight and it's been a spark inside me for all of the project. The second highlight for me was the team building effort, because we have got a dynamic team whereby we learn from each other. I really appreciate the visual leadership that I have from the management that we had on site, the skill sets that we were getting from each other. So the team itself has been a growth for me.
So at Flawless we do things way different. Our work is always on top standard and we work together as a team. We understand each other, our work, and I think basically what we do on on the site is our work is 100%. So that's why I think to partner up with Flawless IT is the best choice to do.
As you can see, we only want the best for our clients. So let's partner and help you step up your security and improve productivity in the years to come.